Welcome to our channel. Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel, where we celebrate all things glam, stylish, and creative. Today, we're diving into the dazzling world of nail fashion art, a trend that's taking the beauty industry by storm. Whether you're a nail art newbie or a seasoned pro, this video is packed with inspiration, tips, and trends to help you express your unique style right at your fingertips. So, grab your favorite nail polish, sit back, and let's get started. The evolution of nail fashion art. Nail art isn't just about painting your nails, it's a form of self-expression. A tiny canvas for creativity. Over the years, nail fashion has evolved from simple single-color manicures to intricate designs featuring gems, 3D elements, hand-painted details, and even digital prints. What started as a beauty ritual has now become a global fashion statement, with trends changing as fast as the seasons. From classic French tips to bold geometric patterns, nail art allows girls to showcase their personality, mood, and even their favorite trends. Social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok have turned nail artists into celebrities, with millions of followers eager to recreate their stunning designs. Trending nail art styles for girls. Let's explore some of the hottest nail art trends that are dominating 2025. Minimalist elegance. Less is more. New tones, soft pastels, and simple line art are perfect for those who love a clean, chic look. Think barely there pinks with a single metallic stripe or tiny dot details. This style is great for schoolwork or any occasion where you want a polished yet understated vibe. Glitter and sparkle. Who doesn't love a little sparkle? Glitter nails are timeless. Whether it's a full glitter coat, an ombre fade, or just an accent nail, chrome powders and holographic finishes are also huge right now, giving nails a futuristic, mirror-like shine. Abstract and artistic designs. For the creative souls, abstract nail art is a dream. Swirls, splatter paint, marble effects, and mismatched designs let you experiment with colors and textures. These looks are bold, fun, and totally Instagram-worthy. 3D embellishments. Want to take your nails to the next level? 3D nail art uses tiny pearls, rhinestones, foil, and even miniature charms to add depth and drama. Floral 3D designs are especially popular for weddings and special events. French manicure reinvented. The classic French manicure got a major upgrade. Instead of plain white tips, tri-colored tips, graphic lines, or even reverse French, where the color is at the base. It's a fresh take on a timeless look. Animal prints and patterns. Leopard, zebra, snake print animal-inspired nails are fierce and fashionable. These designs work great in neutral tones or bold colors, making them versatile for any outfit. Negative space nails. This trend plays with the natural nail, leaving parts unpainted for a modern, edgy effect. Geometric cutouts, half-moon designs, and transparent polish with delicate art are all part of this stylish trend. Seasonal and holiday themes. Nail art is a fantastic way to celebrate seasons and holidays. Think pastel florals for spring, vibrant sunsets for summer, warm tones for autumn, and glittery snowflakes for winter. Halloween, Christmas, and Valentine's Day also bring out some of the most creative designs. DIY nail art tips for beginners. If you're new to nail art, don't worry, every expert was once a beginner. Here are some easy tips to help you get started. Start with the basics. Master simple designs like polka dots, stripes, or color blocking before moving to complex art. Use the right tools, thin brushes, dotting tools, and striping tape can make a huge difference in precision. Practice on a palette. Test designs on a piece of paper or a silicone mat before applying them to your nails. Keep nail polish thin. Thick layers can smudge or take forever to dry. Apply thin coats for a smoother finish. Top coat is a must always. Seal your design with a clear top coat to protect it and add shine. Be patient, nail art takes time. If a design doesn't turn out perfect, keep practicing. Nail care. The foundation of great nail art. No matter how stunning your nail art is, healthy nails are key. Here's how to keep them in top shape. Moisturize regularly. Cuticle oil keeps nails and skin hydrated. File gently. Always file in one direction to prevent splitting. Avoid harsh chemicals. Wear gloves when cleaning to protect your manicure. Give nails a break. If you wear polish constantly, take short breaks to let nails breathe. Final thoughts. Nail fashion art is more than just a trend. It's a way to express yourself, boost your confidence, and have fun with beauty. Whether you prefer subtle elegance or bold, eye-catching designs, there's a nail art style for everyone. The best part? You can change it up whenever you want. So, what's your favorite nail art look? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty inspiration. Until next time, keep shining and slaying those nail designs. Thanks for watching. And that's a wrap, gorgeous. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of nail fashion art. If you try any of these styles, tag us on social media. We'd love to see your creations. Remember, beauty is all about having fun and feeling great in your own skin, or should we say, on your own nails? Stay fabulous, and we'll see you in the next video.